I have an entire upper implant. You could call it a permanent denture or whatever, but it's permanently attached to the upper part of my mouth, and I've had it for about 9 years. It was originally done in Florida, and it has just started to wear down. One of the biggest trepidations of coming here was, the unknown. Like, you're dealing with, something that's very personal, something that is very private, and it was, old. It was from Florida. The technology had changed, so there was a lot of fear in how are they going to do this. This is a very unique part of dentistry. I'm in the health field, so I understand that there are just some things you talk about freely and there's other things that you don't, but I would absolutely recommend Dr. Gurney and his team in this office to anyone who's have them, needs them, thinking about them. Absolutely.